Okay, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm just recording this scene for you guys now with my phone. I have my camera set up and we're gonna start. I just wanted to show you guys what we're gonna be eating today. These are the noodles that we're gonna cook now. You can see there's no artificial colorants in them. There's no added preservatives. It's a source of fiber. It's made with only 5 ingredients, which is amazing, and it's GMO free, so there's no artificial stuff. And of course, because there's no artificial flavors and colorants, there's no MSG in this as well. So these are very healthy noodles, because generally noodles are like not good for you, especially the spices are even worse. So these are the ones we're gonna cook. I boiled some water and I'm just gonna put them in this packet and we're gonna cook them. Okay, so I'm pouring water into them. You have to boil boiling water and let the noodles soak in for like 5 minutes. So that's what I'm doing right now. Okay, we can add more. So I'm gonna let that soak for 5 minutes. Just hang on 1 second. I forgot the lid somewhere. Okay, so this is gonna soak for 5 minutes. I'm going to cover it. That's what it says. And in the meantime, you guys, like, this stuff is so affordable. Like, these noodles were like 40 rand, or was it 40 rand or 49 rand? But as you can see, it's a lot of noodles and it's only 45 rands. I have another pack there. And this is a new brand that you can find at Checkers, you guys. As you can see, they even have coconut sugar. I think the coconut sugar was 70 rand. I'm not sure, I can't remember. It's amazing. And they also have a cereal. Oh my gosh, I can't remember how much of the cereal. They have crushed whole wheat flakes, which is also, as you can see, it's there's no preservative, it's vegan, no added colorants, no preservatives. So it's really healthy, organic, GMO free foods that you can find for a much cheaper price, and the quality is also amazing. They also have like sweets that are sugar free, made from purely fruits and stuff like that. Oh, and by the way, this is the Fry's new cereal, the protein instant cereal, this one right over there. That one, I don't like it. I just like it as a milkshake, but to eat as a cereal with just milk, I don't really like it. But that one is really nice. So yeah, I'm a vegetarian, by the way. So although I'm not 100% vegan because I love cheese, but yeah. Oh, and I'm also making some of these Linda McCarthy's sausage roll, as well as the burgers, which I already tore the box up. Yeah. So we're also going to have some of those. I hope they're ready by the time I start this video. Okay, so the noodles have cooked, guys, in 5 minutes. This is the sauce that I made, the spicy sauce that I made. It's just like a chutney that I make. Here it is over there. So this is the sauce right over here. It's very, very hot. It's made with Indian spices. You know, we're from Durban, so we do Indian spices. On my voice. And also, of course, to give it that Durban flavor, I did add in some dhania, lots of it, because I am. So this is what we're gonna be trying. Let's get straight to the video. Oh, and the burgers are here, which I burned. But anyway, let's go to the video. These noodles look so good. Woo! Okay, so this is it, guys. We are doing this mukbang. I am finally shooting a mukbang. I hope we're in focus. I'm shooting a manual focus because I can't deal with this lens noise on this camera. It's so annoying. I definitely need to get a new camera. But anyway, so here we have our vegan noodles, our vegan spicy noodles, with our other vegan stuff, our burgers and stuff, which are totally burnt, and some cucumbers, because ever since I've been watching Kim Tide's mukbangs, I always crave cucumbers. Don't ask me why. So, because she like does seafood stuff, you know, and all of that, and I don't eat all of that stuff. And also just mind the fact that I have no makeup on because I don't have time for that, and it's really dark in here. So yeah. Oh my gosh. Let's taste these noodles. Mm. Mm. So good. I have to say it's more like pasta. It tastes like a lot like that flat pasta that you buy in the stores, and it cooks so quickly. Let me tell you, you rather buy these noodles for your kids. So good. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. So nice. I'm just dipping these cucumbers into the sauce. Mm. So good. Mm-hmm. Hey, where does this fly come from? Let me close the door because oh, these flies were coming in from outside. Yeah, guys, this is so good. Mm-hmm. Mm. So good. I definitely think it's worth the money. And they're quite affordable. Did I tell you can find them at Checkers? Checkers South Africa. I'm not sure where they're made. They're probably imported, so I don't know where you guys would find them if you like overseas. But in South Africa you can find them exclusively at Checkers. I think they're exclusive to Checkers. You can also find Gordon Ramsay stuff there, but his ones are a little bit more pricey than these. Oh, the ones at Noodles are the ones at Woolworths are quite pricey. So these are like so affordable. It's just unbelievable. I don't think I'm gonna be able to eat all of this. Like for real. It's spicy, but it's not spicy enough for me. And I put a lot of chilies in here. Because I'm a spicy girl. I definitely think I would kill those spicy noodles of Kim Thai's. Because I love me some spicy chilies. I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm feeling nervous, you guys, because I've never tried a mukbang before. And I love watching mukbangs. Like, if you said mukbang, I said mukbang. That's how I say it. Mukbang, mukbang, tomato, tomato. Same difference. Depending on where you are in the world. Mm. So good. This is so good. Eat my cucumber. There's just no way I'm gonna eat all of this. I want some water. Let me get some water. I definitely need some water. These cucumbers are so good. I hope you guys watched my last Halloween tutorial. It was so good. Shout out to Owami. It was so good. Yeah, good for me. Mmm. Okay. Let me not double dip because I need to give that sauce to my sister when I'm done. I definitely need water. I'll just play in focus because then you're going to have to watch a video that's not focused. I'm such a water girl. I cannot live without water. Oh, okay. This might be in your way. Okay, let's. So good. I normally eat fries burgers. And I wanted to try these Linda McCarthy. Did I say it right? These are soya burgers. These are the Linda McCarthy ones. They're a lot more cheaper than the fried soya burgers, but the fries is definitely better. I don't know how fries does it, but they're stuck at the bomb. So good. The fries burgers are definitely a lot better. In fact, way better. Let's try the sausage roll, which I totally burnt. It's definitely good. But I don't know what soy they're having in. I think you can't go wrong with pastry, but I definitely think the filling could be a lot better. I'm not going to survive. I didn't eat breakfast because I knew I was going to do a mukbang. It's spicy, but not spicy enough for me. I think I actually should have ate breakfast because I don't know if you guys are the same, like if you skip breakfast and you eat like at 3 o'clock, you just can't eat because I don't know if it's because your tummy becomes so small that you become full faster and that the food just doesn't go down. Next time I'll have something for breakfast before I eat a mukbang. They sell these bottles at Checkers, ShopRite, for like 20 rand. You'll probably pay $100 at this game, but the plastic is a little bit thinner, but it's strong as well. Yeah. I'm already full. I ain't gonna lie. I'll keep this for my kids. and some sauce for my sister. Yeah, I don't know how does King Thai do it. I should totally check out her mukbangs. Like, I'm obsessed with watching mukbangs. I have no idea why. Oh my god, where's my phone? See, that's the filling. So dry. Comment below and let me know what mukbangs I should do next. But keep in mind that I'm vegetarian, so yeah. People always ask me why am I so fat, but I'm vegetarian. Like, I literally don't eat any meat, any fish, chicken, eggs. Like, I can't eat fried eggs and stuff, nothing like that. Since I was a little kid, you guys, I didn't eat. I never ate meat before. I just couldn't stand it when I was growing up. Like, when I was a little kid, I used to always give it to my cousin. She was always like, no, don't say you don't eat the meat, just take the meat and give it to me. So I'm used to being vegetarian. I don't know if I can be a full-on vegan, because me, I love me some cheese, honey. But I feel like I don't eat anything. Now you want me to stop eating cheese? I don't know. But I'm probably vegan on some days without realizing, because some days I don't always eat cheese, I don't always eat dairy stuff, so I'm a partial vegan. So all my mukbangs are going to be vegetarian or vegan meals. This pasta has no egg in it, so it's definitely, it is vegan. That Wi-Fi. Shout out to everyone who gave me some love in my previous video. I was still talking about it and I just totally forgot. Oh no. Okay, I can't do the comments. You know, the strange thing is, I plan what I'm gonna eat for my mukbang, but then I don't think of what I'm gonna say. So I actually don't know what I'm gonna say, what I'm gonna talk about. Let's just chill. I'm gonna put my legs down. I have no idea what I'm gonna say. Vegan everything. I kind of feel like I'm struggling with YouTube, with social media, my Instagram. I'm so bad with Instagram and stuff. I can't even speak. I'm so full, you guys. Yeah. I'm gonna try for 2 more spoons. I can't deal. Okay. That is a wrap for me, guys. I still have so much noodles left. I finished all of my, at least I finished all my sausage rolls and the burger. But how does B-Love eat all of that food? How does Kim Ta eat all of that food? I don't know how they do it, but I'm done. I'm so done. But anyway, guys, until next time, I shall see you again. I don't know when I'm going to edit this video because I personally don't have a laptop now, but I will be getting one soon. So let's hope I get to edit this very soon for you guys. So yeah, I'm done. Don't forget to comment below what you guys would like for me. Don't forget to comment down below what you guys would like for me to do in my next mukbang or my next makeup tutorial. I'm hoping to do a review for my next makeup tutorial, so stay tuned for that. Until next time, you guys, I'll see you. Keep in mind that I am vegetarian. If you want to suggest any mukbangs for the future, I am vegetarian. I don't eat any sort of meat whatsoever. I don't even eat fish. So thank you for watching, you guys. Thank you for watching this mukbang. I hope you guys have enjoyed this mukbang. If you have enjoyed it, you guys, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up so that I know you guys enjoyed the video and I can do more mukbangs for you guys. Until next time, goodbye, darlings. Toodle-doo. Tot ziens. Hamburgerle. I don't know any other language. Bye. Woo! I'm so full. I'm so full. I can't deal. I am so full. This is not for the faint-hearted. I'm dead. I'm so dead. Ugh.